Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Queen's order. Okay, so the first pair I'm going to show y'all, these are called Lock Empress earrings, and I've been making them for years. It was a lady that took a picture of, and I just kind of did the silhouette and just added my own thing. So it was from a picture that I seen of a lady with locks. Yeah. So I have another design similar to this. These are going to New York. Yeah, these going to New York. And this is the back. Yes, they are so fun to make. And I put cowrie shells and all that in there, red, black, and green. Alright, so these are on boabwart.com. Okay, the next pair are these right here. The back is still a little wet. They are going to Arizona. And these are called Black Women in Color Glitter Earrings. I have another pair similar to these. They're on the website too. But I have a pair right here that's going in a wholesale order. They're a little bit bigger. Y'all see how bigger they are? They look, you know, every pair look a little different, but they still similar. Yeah, so this is going in a wholesale order. I have a couple of that's going in wholesale orders. But I'll show y'all them. These are going, and these going with another order. Need a call if you are chosen. Okay, well, so let me get back to this. I got so many orders around me. It's a shame. Well, it's not a shame. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. The next pair, and I'm pretty sure y'all done seen these in the Queen's order. These are called Natural Woman earrings. And they are going to Michigan. And they are called Natural Woman. They are a pretty good seller. Alright. So I want to thank all the queens that have supported boabwart.com. Y'all, I've been so busy. It's been so crazy, but I'm blessed. And I give thanks for all y'all support. Y'all bear with me with getting all y'all orders out this time. I'll see y'all on the next Queen Orders video. Salam, salam.